Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea without lemon. First, you'll want to bring 4 cups of fresh water to a rolling boil. Using good quality water is key to a great tasting tea. Next, add 4 to 6 tea bags or 4 teaspoons of loose leaf tea to a heat-proof pitcher. Steep the tea for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how strong you like it. This initial step sets the foundation for a refreshing beverage. Once your tea has steeped to your liking, carefully remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaf tea to separate the leaves from the liquid. While the tea is still hot, it's the perfect time to add your sweetener. Stir in about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of sugar or adjust the amount to suit your personal preference. Make sure to stir thoroughly until all the sugar is completely dissolved, ensuring a smooth, sweet flavor throughout. After the sugar has dissolved, add 4 cups of cold water to your sweetened tea mixture. This helps to cool it down quickly and dilute it to the perfect strength. Now, transfer your pitcher to the refrigerator and let it chill for at least 2 hours. This ensures your iced tea is refreshingly cold when served. When ready, pour it over plenty of ice and consider garnishing with fresh mint or slices of your favorite fruit for an extra touch. Your delicious, homemade iced tea without lemon is now ready to enjoy. Any leftover tea can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, maintaining its fresh taste. Don't hesitate to experiment with different types of tea, like green tea or herbal blends, to discover new favorite flavors. And speaking of enhancing your home, you can find a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to bring music and convenience into your space, making your tea time even more enjoyable. Cheers to your perfect brew.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.